Hello and welcome to Malaga, where if you are planning a visit, then this video is perfect for you, as we guide you through the 10 best hotels in this charming location. A sun-drenched city on Spain's Costa del Sol, Malaga is known for its art, beaches, and Mediterranean charm. It also has the main airport in the region. In this video, we'll travel to 10 of the top hotels in Malaga, from luxury escapes to chic city stays, and find out why it's worth a visit. Let's explore Malaga. First up, H10 Croma Malaga, located right in the heart of the city, near the port and at Razaner's Market. This ultramodern hotel was designed by award-winning architect Rafael Munio and features a sleek, white facade and bright, contemporary interiors. Head up to the rooftop and you'll find a stunning terrace complete with a pool and lounge area, ideal for sipping cocktails as the sun sets over the city. Whether you're in Malaga for business or pleasure, H10 Croma offers top-notch service, with panoramic views that make every stay memorable. Next, the Gran Hotel Miramar, a 5-star palace that feels like a step back into royalty. Originally built in 1926, this beachfront icon was restored to its former glory, offering timeless elegance just steps from La Malagueta Beach. Inside, you'll find lush gardens, a world-class spa, rooftop bar, and 3 fine dining restaurants serving Mediterranean cuisine. Every corner of this hotel oozes historic charm with Andalusian flair. This is luxury done right. For a more urban boutique feel, check out Hotel Molina Lario. It's perfectly located across from the cathedral and the port, making it a favorite among culture seekers. The hotel beautifully blends traditional architecture with a modern interior, offering clean, contemporary rooms with balconies overlooking the city. Be sure to visit the rooftop terrace, it's one of Malaga's best-kept secrets for panoramic views, cocktails, and a dip in the plunge pool. Looking for a beachfront escape? Sol Guadalmar is ideal for a laid-back holiday with family or friends. Situated right on the coast, it's got direct beach access and spacious gardens for maximum relaxation. Their hotel features outdoor pools for both adults and kids, plus a wellness center, tennis courts, and buffet dining with Mediterranean favorites. Though it's just a 15-minute drive from the city center, Sol Guadalmar feels like its own little coastal resort, serene and sun-soaked. If you're enjoying this video, can we ask you to please hit that subscribe button to show support for our channel. It will cost you nothing, but it means so much to us. Thank you. Moving on, and our next stop takes us to another fantastic hotel. Barceló Malaga is a vibrant, design-forward hotel built into the Maria Zambrano train station, making it incredibly convenient for travelers arriving by train or heading to the airport. Inside, you'll find fun touches like a steel slide into the lobby, modern art installations, and a sophisticated gastrobar. Don't miss the rooftop terrace for cocktails, a perfect spot after a day of sightseeing. In the artsy Soho district, roommate Valeria mixes Andalusian charm with bold, tropical vibes. From the moment you walk in, it's all color, comfort, and character. The rooftop terrace is a major highlight, featuring a small pool, striped loungers, and sweeping views over the port. With just 61 rooms, the atmosphere is intimate and friendly, and the central location means you're only minutes away from Mule Uno, the Picasso Museum, and the beach. Trendy and elegant, Oniu Hotel Malaga is a standout for its chic design and unbeatable location in the city center. Stylish interiors feature refined contemporary decor, while the public spaces like the lobby and bar offer relaxed social vibes. Expect luxurious details, modern rooms with designer flair, and top-tier amenities with the rooftop lounge and bar providing breathtaking views. Whether you're here to shop, explore or unwind, this hotel offers a stylish, upscale base for discovering Malaga's vibrant soul. For beach lovers on a budget, Hotel Soho Boutique Las Vegas is a fantastic choice. Located just across from the sea and close to the Old Town, it offers the best of both worlds. Rooms are simple yet stylish, with balconies, and there's a sunny pool area to cool off in the Andalusian heat. It's a relaxed, friendly hotel where location and value go hand in hand, perfect for travelers who want comfort and sun without the splurge. A Malaga icon since the 1960s, AC Hotel Malaga Palacio offers timeless elegance with a modern edge. It's perched between the cathedral and the port, giving guests a 360-degree view of city and sea. The rooftop pool and bar are must-visits, offering some of the most iconic sunset views in town. With over 200 rooms, meeting spaces, and a Mediterranean restaurant, it's a great option for both leisure and business travelers who want location and class. Last but not least, Ilunion Malaga, an eco-friendly and accessible hotel that's big on comfort and even bigger on value. It's centrally located near the train station and port, making it easy to get around. The hotel offers modern rooms, a wellness area, a swimming pool, and even pet-friendly accommodations. With great service and clean, spacious interiors, Ilunion Malaga is a reliable pick for all types of travelers, families, couples, and solo adventurers alike. That concludes our trip around the 10 best hotels in Malaga, which we hope you have enjoyed viewing with us. Whether you're chasing luxury, location, or beachside bliss, Malaga has a hotel that's just right for you. Hit like if you enjoyed the tour, and subscribe for more travel guides just like this one. Tell us in the comments, which hotel would you book? See you next time.